Hi guys! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. For today's vlog, I'm gonna be doing another balloon tutorial. So today we are going to make a balloon garland. It's for baby showers, so the theme will be white with a mix-up of gold, like chrome gold balloons and confetti balloons. Okay, so here are the materials that I'm going to be using for my balloon garland. Okay, so we got 12 inches of white latex balloons, 5 inches of white latex balloons also. I have 24 inches of white latex balloons. I also have 4 pre-filled clear confetti balloons. So when you say pre-filled, so I already filled it up with this confetti dots inside, so it's ready to blow up. And also I am using this chrome gold balloons. It's 12 inches, I believe. Yeah, 12 inches in size. And what else? I am also gonna be putting some tropical leaves into the balloon garland. Okay, by the way guys, this tropical leaves, I got this from Amazon, and I'm gonna include a link also in the description box. Okay, so let's start blowing up all our latex balloons. So if you are going to do balloon garlands, you just have to fill this up in different sizes. All of this 12 inches balloons, fill them up with air in different sizes. It doesn't have to be like the same size, but yeah, let's fill them up with air. I'm gonna start filling up this latex balloons. So pair them up. So since I'm going to include confetti balloons, I am going to show you how do I inflate my confetti filled balloons. Okay, so there you go. See, confettis doesn't really stick into the wall of the balloons. Okay, so all you have to do is rub with maybe any cloth or even a paper towel. You just rub it all around, or even just your bare hands to create static, and that way see the wonder, guys? Okay, and just kind of shake a bit just to scatter all those confettis inside the balloons until you're happy with the result of the balloons. There you go.
Here you go.
And if you want more, like more portion to have more confetti, so just rub a little bit more in. Okay, so I'll do that with my other confetti filled balloons. Then I'm gonna blow up all my 5 inches balloons. So for my 5 inches balloons, I just blow them up with 1 or 2 pumps using the double action hand pump. These are quite small, so I can't, like, you can't overinflate this balloons. And the same, you just have to tie them together. Okay guys, so I have inflated most of my balloons right now, but it's filling up my space. So I'll just go ahead and do the garland and then add some more, inflate more balloons as I go along. So, okay, so as I've mentioned, I am using a fishing line. This one here, I think this is a I got this from, you can get this from Home Depot or in any hardware. So this is the Monofilament Fishing line. So it's the thin one, like really the small one. So I'm gonna go ahead and tie my fishing line to start the garland. There you go. So I have tied the fishing line. So I just want you guys to make sure to tie like 2 or 3 times. Fishing line is kind of really slippery, so just make sure to secure your balloons in it. Okay. So, okay, so with this theme, I'm just gonna be doing, this balloon garland is mostly like white. These are all white balloons, and I'm just going to scatter, like distribute evenly all this gold chrome balloons. So it doesn't really matter like which part of the balloon garland, but yeah. So just grab one pair of balloons, and then just insert it in the middle while tying your fishing line. I always tie it like twice or 3 times, just to kind of secure your balloons in as you go along. we have here the first portion of our balloon garland. We are going to make another one with this size to make it kind of like an arch. I mean half arch. And then all of these extra balloons, including these 24 inches, like this huge balloons, like this big balloons, I am going to fill them up here. I mean, I'm going to attach them here individually using my glue dots. Okay, so I'm gonna show you later, but all these extra balloons, I'm going to attach it, like fill up the garland to give volume to the garland using this balloon glue dots. You just have to stick it into, there are, see this dots here, stick it into the balloon and then peel it off. It transfers into the latex balloons, and that way it's there. Place it into the, and another one, there you go. We're gonna fill this up with all these small balloons and this confetti balloons, including this 24 inches balloons. And then also we will attach this tropical leaves and stick them evenly into the entire garland. Okay, so stick around with me and I'm gonna show you the finished product in a while.